Hello everyone, and this is Edmond Mindaro's channel and here with another quick tutorial. At sa video ito ay tuturo po on how to change color theme on Google Chrome web browser. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process guys, and let's go ahead. Ang next step ay dito lang sa ating Chrome web browser, so open lang natin yan. And then dito lang sa upper right side, click mo lang yung tatlong dot. And then next ay kailangan mo lang select yung settings. Dito lang sa settings, dito yung pinakauna lang na you and Google. And then, select mo lang yung customize your Chrome profile. And then dito ay pwede ka nang mag-select ng pick a theme color na gusto mo or desired mong kulay. So, halimbawa, ito yung napili mo. And then, whatever you pick a theme color, it will change automatically. Alright? So, pwede mo naman ito i-customize. So, click mo lang ito. And then, pwede mo itong i-adjust yung kulay niya. Ayan. So, ganito siya. Alright, so ganoon lang po kasimple mga kaibigan kung paano tayo mag-change ng color theme dito sa Google Chrome web browser. Alright, so please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more helpful tutorials and tips. And if you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comment down below. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.